Hello and welcome. Have you ever held a delicate porcelain teacup or a beautiful vase and wondered how it was made? Porcelain is famous for its strength, its whiteness, and its almost glass-like quality. Today, we're going to uncover the secrets behind this amazing material and walk through the entire process, from simple clay to a finished masterpiece. The journey of porcelain begins with its special ingredients. The most important one is a pure white clay called kaolin. This is what gives porcelain its signature bright white color. But kaolin doesn't work alone. It's mixed with other materials like feldspar, quartz, and patunsa. Feldspar acts like a glue. It melts at high temperatures and binds everything together. Quartz adds strength and helps the piece keep its shape during the intense heat. These raw materials are ground into a fine powder and then mixed with water to create a smooth, workable clay paste. Once the clay is ready, it's time to give it a shape. A skilled artist might use a potter's wheel, spinning the clay to form bowls and vases. This is called throwing. Another common method is slip casting. For this, the clay is made into a liquid form called slip, which is poured into plaster molds. The plaster absorbs the water, leaving a thin layer of clay on the inside. After shaping, the piece must dry completely. Then it goes into a special oven called a kiln for its first firing, known as the bisque firing. The temperature reaches around 1000 degrees Celsius. This firing makes the clay hard and permanent but leaves it porous, like a sponge. This porosity is important for the next step, glazing. A glaze is basically a type of liquid glass. The bisque-fired piece is dipped into it or sprayed with it, and the porous surface soaks up the glaze evenly. Now for the final and most crucial step. The glazed piece goes back into the kiln for a second firing. This time, the temperature is much hotter, reaching up to 1400 degrees Celsius. This intense heat is what transforms the clay into true porcelain. The clay body vitrifies, meaning it becomes non-porous, incredibly strong, and translucent. At the same time, the glaze melts and fuses completely with the clay body, creating that signature smooth, shiny, and waterproof surface. So, from a mix of special minerals, through shaping, the first firing, glazing, and a final, incredibly hot firing, a beautiful piece of porcelain is born. Thank you so much for watching and learning about this fascinating process with us. If you found this video interesting and want to see more like it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue making new videos. See you in the next one.